Lie down in Shavasana, legs apart, hands apart, away from your body. Eyes gently closed, nose pointing to the ceiling, fingers naturally curved, toes not falling down naturally. Take a deep inhale while exhaling, drop your weight on the mat. Inhale deeply, hold your breath, pay attention, hold, hold, exhale. Release all the tension out from the body. Again, inhale, hold your breath, hold, 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 hold. While exhaling, relax your each and every part of your body. Just scan yourself from head to toe. Whole body is completely relaxed. Top of your head, side of your head, forehead, right eye, right cheek, left cheek, right nostril, left nostril, upper lip, lower lip, right jaws, left jaw, neck, back of the neck are completely relaxed. Right shoulder, shoulder blades, left shoulder, shoulder blades, right upper arm, four elbows, forearm, right wrist, right palm, back of the palm, right finger, right palm, right wrist, right forearm, right elbow, right upper arm, right shoulder are completely relaxed. Left shoulder, left upper arm, left elbow, left forearm, left wrist, left palm, left fingers, back of the palm, wrist, forearm, bow, upper arm, shoulder blades are completely relaxed. Chest, abdominal muscles, abdomen are completely relaxed. Upper back, middle back, lower back are completely relaxed. Right hip, right hamstring, right thigh, right knee, shin bone, calf muscles, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, right toes, foot, right ankle, right shin bone, right calf muscles, right knee, right thigh, right calf, right hip joint are completely relaxed. Left hip joint, left hamstring, left thigh, left knee, shin bone, calf muscle, left ankle, left heel, left sole of the foot, left toes are left ankle, left shin bone, left calf muscle, left knee, hamstring and calf. Thighs, left hip joint are completely relaxed. Perineal organs, lower back, middle back, upper back, side of the body, armpit, abdomen, chest, shoulder, right left hand, facial muscles, head region are completely relaxed. Now imagine a moment in which you feel very happy, a rising sun giving you a smile on your face, early morning rising sun, orange color sun. Just try to visualize how relaxed and happy your body is feeling. Your mind is feeling to see this rising sun full of hope, full of light, full of positivity. Observe what is happening, how your body is feeling, how your breath is watching this rising sun. Feel the positivity when you see this rising sun. Now imagine that you're stuck in traffic, full of tension, getting late for office, getting late for work. Now observe how your body is feeling that is stuck in traffic, full of tension. The stress inside the body, the anger, the stress, the hurry, tension of getting late. What is happening inside your body? Facial expressions changing, breath changing, thoughts coming. Again, take a deep inhale. Imagine a beautiful mountain, greenery around. Feel the relaxation. You're around that area, flowers around. Feel the positivity. Try to smell the fragrance around. Feel the smile on your face, looking at the beautiful flowers, birds, mountain, greenery. How relaxed your mind is. How beautiful the nature is. Feel the smile on your face with the fragrance of beautiful flowers around. Observe your heart. Observe your breathing pattern. How positive you're feeling right now. Now imagine a conflict, a fight with someone close. Feel the tension. Observe that you are in a fight, the conflict with your close one. How you are feeling. Feel the stress, the tension, the anger, the ego. Observe the changes in the body. The muscles get tighten up, the heartbeat fastens, the breath changes, the tension, multiple thoughts coming in. Why the person is not listening, why the person is fighting with you. Just imagine that situation, be there in that situation, and feel the changes in your body. Feel the muscle getting tightened up. Just imagining that you are in some big conflict. Again, take a deep inhale. Observe the bird flying in the sky. How beautiful the sky is. white bird flying in the sky. Feel that peaceful state of mind. Feel that relaxation. Feel that positivity. Feel that smile on your face. Look at the birds flying in the sky. How beautiful the nature is. How beautiful the birds are, complete in white color. Now observe yourself with positivity, how your body reacts. With negativity, how your body reacts. Feel the changes, whatever we have done right now. What was the change of mood, how the body was reacting to different situations. Just imagine and recall one by one each situation and observe yourself. Just imagine this situation brings smiles on your face. The situation which is not good brings tightness on your muscles. Just observe the changes of good and bad. Now observe yourself from head to toe. Your mind and body is completely relaxed. Observe your mind. Try to listen to your heartbeat. Just be there. Just observe your breath. How deep and relaxed your breath is. Just look at your body. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Take your awareness to your body. Move your toes. Move your fingers. Move your neck. Turn on the right side. Stay there for some time and gently sit up with your closed eyes. Just observe yourself. Feel the positivity. Join your hands in namaskar in front of your chest. Let us bless the whole world with this peaceful state of mind. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Brahmachari Pashyantu. Akashati Dukha Bhagave. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti Om. Let's bow down to the Mother Earth, to the universal energies for everything God has given us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Inhale, come back to the center, rubbing hands nicely. Cup your eyes, blink your eyes inside. One more time. Cup your pulse, move your hand all over your body and gently open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your